Okay, time to take a look at the soldering station kit. So this is cool. This is one of the few soldering stations that actually comes with a full-on bench vise. It looks like it has aluminum blocks on there, so it'll protect the workpiece. It also has 1/4 holes drilled in the top, so if we want to, we can actually thread something onto the top, some kind of a... Oh, that's cool. So this actually has a quick release. So if you want to move this thing nice and quick, you don't even have to spin it. That's neat. It has a magnetic base, so we can stick that directly to the plate. And if you want to lock it, you just lock that down. So that is very cool. And it looks like we also got a bunch of rubber pads. You could just thread these guys on. And we could use that as a board holder. So that is cool. I've never seen anything like that, but that is a very good idea. We got a Phillips. We got a magic arm. So these are very nice. Essentially, we can move all these components around to whichever direction we want. And then when we lock this down, that will hold the arm in place, and that will also hold both sides in place. So very nice having something that you can just kind of hold it wherever you want it, lock it down, and it will stay there. We got the clamp for it. So this has a 1/4 and a 3/8 hole. We're going to line up the 1/4 with this. But it is nice that we can just attach this to different things if we want to. And we can loosen that up to open the jaw. We can see we have rubber pads in the bottom and the top to protect whatever we're working on, and then lock it down. We got a bunch of these bendable arms, so we can set this however we want. And that will work with these alligator clamps. So we'll just thread that thumb screw in, drop in our clamp, and lock it down. And it's very nice that they got that insulation on there to protect the insulation of the wires whenever we're heating it up. So we got 4 of these, and we got an extra just in case we lose one, so that's nice. We got our circuit board holders, and you can see that they are magnetic, so they will stick to each other. They also have a nice magnetic base that will stick onto whatever kind of base we got. They have brass tips, so those can stick right into the grounding points on the circuit board, so you can hold it up like that, or you can stick the circuit board right here in that corner. So these things are very useful if you do any kind of circuit board work. You got rubber feet. And that is for this nice black base. We have a power supply. This is 100 to 240 volts, so it's good for international or domestic, and it outputs 2 amps at 5 volts. And that is for this. We got a magnifying glass with a light on the back. It has this controller. It has power, dim, bright, and color temperature. It is also on a flexible arm, so we can put that wherever the heck we want, and we got a magnetic base on that. So I'm going to stick these feet onto the base. And there we are. And it has a hole in the side, so we can take this and stick it right onto a hook. That is a very complete kit. So we can make this dim, we can make it bright, and we can change the color temperature to match whatever is most comfortable for our eyes. That is cool. That is a very neat vise. So there we go, 4 new solder joints. So yeah, overall, that is a very cool kit. This vise, having a very big magnetic base on there, having these little attachments on there, that is awesome. I've never seen anything like that. So yeah, I am very happy to have this. This is a very cool kit.